What's up guys, Zack Whyel here, and today's video is for my actors out there. Today I'm going to show you how to add an IMDb credit to your IMDb page. Did you just get featured in a TV show, a movie, a short, or a series? This is how you add your IMDb credit to your page if it hasn't already been added. Just a disclaimer guys, I want to let anybody out there know, I only support adding a credit if you are absolutely featured in a series, you can clearly see your face, or you got hired as a principal actor. Those are the only ways that I suggest adding an IMDb credit to your page. If what you worked on falls under one of those three categories, then it's time to add that credit, guys. IMDb is the center to all the industry online. This is where casting directors, agents, managers all go to look at your profile to see your resume, what you've done, what you've been in, and your experience. So IMDb is very important, guys, and those credits definitely make a difference. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, that's how you add your IMDb credit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped. Make sure to hit that subscribe button up top, or smash the like button below. Leave a comment guys and let us know if there's anything else you want to learn, or any tricks of the trade that you'd like to figure out. I'll be posting more videos on acting how-tos, and how to navigate this industry guys. So follow along, and let me know what you'd like to see on the next video. See you guys later.